friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I am going to share my mini Myntra haul. So before I start my video, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe it and don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing which I ordered is a Raspberry Woman Black Analog Watch. It comes in this mint color box with a cushion. I ordered silver and copper toned color watch, but they have other variety also, like on gold and silver. I like this watch a lot. It looks so classy, and the dial width is 38 mm and the strap width is 18 mm. When I wear it, it look like this, and the price of this watch is $12.50. So the next product is Couture Woman Navy Top. It has a embroidered front yoke and has a round neck and 3/4 sleeve. The material is rayon, and the price of this top is rupees 650. So the next product is Tissue Woman Navy Blue and Cream Colored Floral Print Straight Kurta with tassel, and it has a V-neck and a 3/4 sleeve, and the material is 100% rayon, and the price of this kurta is $320. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video then please like, share, subscribe and comment, and if you have any question, do comment in the comment box below. I will sure answer your comment. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.